Okay, we're going to take a little tour of our lake house that's up at Lake Livingston in Huntsville, Texas. It's actually in a little bird called Point Blank, appropriately enough for Texas, but the mailing address is Huntsville. This is a drone shot of the little cove where the buildings you see there back in the background is where our lake house is located. There's a cluster of about 15 cabanas that are back there. Whoa, did a little loop there just for your viewing pleasure. Anyway, the wind is tough today, so I'm trying to stabilize this thing. So sometimes when it starts to blow to the side, like you just saw, I just go ahead and flip it over to stabilize it. So sorry about that. Anyway, this is a shot looking back there at where the cabanas are located. This is the parking lot of the condos that are also located at the Waterwood Bay Marina. That's where this shot's being taken. So this is a community that was established back in the 70s as a master plan community that never really panned out, but is really an awesome location. There's the condos back there that are, I don't know, there's probably 50 condominiums that are right there on the lake. And then there's the marina itself with the boat ramp. And they used to have a full-blown set of docks and a gas facility there to be able to gas up. So this little cove there at Waterwood Bay was a get-together point for people that were boating, but now it's sort of gone into hibernation. There you see the channel that goes out to Lake Livingston, which is a pretty good-sized lake, certainly bigger than Lake Conroe, which is more adjacent to where we currently live in Magnolia. So this is a shot of that area. Now, I apologize for the lack of stability here, but that's just the limitations of this drone that I use, this Holy Stone drone. But I'm looking to probably get something that's a little more elaborate here in the not too distant future, so I'm going to be working on that. But I did want to give everybody a shot of where our vacation property is located up in the Lake Livingston area. We're really looking forward to having some time to spend up there and to be able to enjoy ourselves and get away from the hustle and bustle of Houston, which is getting even more crazy, especially as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to erupt. So as I bring the drone down for a safe landing, adios!